Hi, welcome back to Dave's Daily. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to reach financial freedom. For many people, they have different definitions for financial freedom, and in today's video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step details and tips on how to reach financial freedom. Please watch to the end, stay tuned to get this. First of all, what's financial freedom? Everyone has each term for financial freedom. For me, I would say from generally speaking, I'll say financial freedom simply means having a financial cushion, such as investments, savings, emergency fund, to achieve certain goals and make sure you and your family meets up your financial dreams and living your day-to-day life peacefully and smoothly. Then critically, for my own self, that is from my own perspective view, I'll define a financial freedom as being free from debt. Yes, in today's video, I'm going to give you tips on how you can be free financially. That is financial freedom. Stay tuned, watch the video, watch to the end of the video, like if the video was helpful to you, and please click the subscribe button so others can also see this video. Thank you. And let's get to number one. Set life goals. Yes, setting goals and specific goals can help you achieve your dreams more faster. That is your financial dreams and your financial goals. It's when setting your financial dreams, you create milestones on how you could reach them, and like deadlines and timeline. Then you should calculate, when you reach the topest milestone, that is like your destination to your current age. You should count how many years will it take, and evaluate on how much should you have by then, what will be your net worth, and what will be the objective of achieving those goals. This will help you achieving your goals. When you write down goals and you're basically seeing them every day, there'll be an inner thing in you pushing you to achieve those goals more faster. That's what I'll say. Writing down goals will help you achieve your goals more faster. And let's head to number two. Making financial budget. Yes, making financial budget will guarantee that you have paid all your bills and how much you're saving. And also a step on how to reach financial freedom. That is step 2 on how to reach financial freedom, making budget. Budgeting will help you know how your income is spent. How your income is going to be used in the next month, on how your income is used to pay bills. It also gives you guarantee that all bills are paid on how much you're saving. I'll call monthly budget foreseeing accounting on how your money will be spent. Making budget is very essential in meeting your financial goals, and I advise you now to start making budget. Number 3, pay off all loans. Yes, loans and credit are quicksand to your financial dream. Taking additional loans and credit each time you have another loan, digging another hole for yourself to climb out. And credits and high interest loans are very toxic to wealth building and financial freedom. So I advise you to pay off all loans and credits at full, not leaving them not leaving them halfway, or pay off full, so that you know that each money you have, you are using it for yourself and not servicing any loans like that. So you are advised to pay off all loans and leave free loans and free of debt. Yeah, because once you have free debt, though, you have chances of building your wealth more faster and reaching financial freedom more faster. And let's head to number 4. Start investing now. I know bear markets have made people question the when YouTubers say investing, but I would say historically, investing has made more people richer in the last 60 to 50 years. Just look at now, majority of the billionaires we have seen now in the world are investors, and through investment you can build your wealth more faster. I remember I said making budget. When you make budget, you save. Set aside money you save. That money you have saved now reach a certain amount. I would advise to invest them in a profitable company or in a profitable business. And investing your money will also allow you to grow your money. This all takes to compounding interest. So what is compounding interest? This is investing the returns of your investment. Through this, you are building your investment portfolio and building your returns. Number 5, stay educated on financial issues. What do I mean by staying educated on financial issues? This simply means staying updated on the adjustments and development in the financial world and businesses at large. This is keeping record of financial news, stock market changes that happens in the market, and taking notes of these changes will help you in adjusting your investment portfolio. And having this knowledge will help you grow in your financial world and avoid escape losses, all these mass losses that usually happen in investment. Last way to reach financial freedom is taking care of your health. Yes, I know many of you may not like this, but I'll tell you that if you're not healthy, then how do you expect to reach your financial freedom? For example, you have a disease. Basically all the money you get from your your job or your work you do, you basically let me say easy to treat yourself. And without, let me say, practicing all these things like using your money what you get to treat yourself, you have no money to save, you have no money to invest, thereby you will like be unable to reach your financial dreams. But our advice is that before you start reaching your financial dreams, you like invest in your health first. Make sure you're healthy, because if you're not healthy, who enjoy what you have worked out for? Who enjoy like your labor? So like I will advise you, invest in your health. Just simple. Go to the doctor, make sure you're medically fit. Take some medicine prescribed by a doctor, not by yourself. And please, in conclusion of this video, I would like to say that reaching your financial freedom is not hard, and it's also hard. Yes, it's not hard, but it's also hard. Let me say, sticking to these rules will not guarantee you, but like give you like a coach on how to reach your financial freedom. And I believe if you have watched it to the end, I will say thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Watch the video that will appear in the screen below, and it's also help you out like growing your business. In this channel, I post videos on business, finance, education at large. Please stay tuned, subscribe, and share. Thanks.